Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today, let's review an amazing smartwatch, IWO W26 smartwatch. The watch has three colors: silver color with white silicone strap and rose gold color with pink silicone strap, and there are also another color in black color with black silicone strap. And the watch brand is Demor. Okay, we can see the pink color in 44 millimeter on the left side, and the silver color with white silicone strap on the right side. The sizes are different between the two watches. Let's compare the appearance. We can see the pink color in 44 millimeter is bigger than the silver color in 40 millimeter. Okay, let's check the buttons. We can see the button. They have the same one round crown button on the right side of the watch case, and the holes for the microphone. And on the left side of the watch case, there are holes for the speaker. Okay, let's check out the back of the watch. The back of the watch case are the same. The 2-pin connector for the USB charger, and at the center of the watch case there is a heart rate sensor. Okay, let's power on the watch. The startup time is almost the same, and we can see the default watch face are different. Let's change the watch face by sliding through the screen. Let's from the same watch face to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both of the watch has 7 watch faces. Just the default watch faces are different. Okay, let's slide through the screen from top to down. We can see the status bar 6, and the third one is the QR code. For the application, we have to download and install on our smartphone to connect with the watch. The application is the same. Okay, let's check out the sports mode. We can see the sports patterns are the same: walking, running, climbing, basketball, table tennis, football. Okay, let's slide through the screen from left to right to left. We can see the menu icons. We can see the menu icons are the same layout. So the functions of the two watches in different sizes are the same function. Okay, let's change the manual style to line grid style to compare the functions. We can see the layout of the application in 3 pages are completely the same. Okay, this is the IWO W26 smartwatch, and it has two sizes, 44mm and 40mm, and it has 3 colors: pink, white, and black. Okay, thank you for listening. See you again.